In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap cryptocurrencies using your Metamask wallet seamlessly. If you're familiar with blockchain technology or have been trading cryptocurrencies for a while, you probably know that Metamask is a user-friendly tool for managing your tokens. Today, we're diving into one of its most handy features, the swap function. First, you'll need to open up your Metamask browser extension. It's critical to ensure your Metamask wallet is unlocked, as this is the gateway to all your crypto activities. Unlocking your wallet will give you access to manage your digital assets securely and proceed with transactions. If you've just launched your browser, click on the MetaMask icon near the top of your screen, enter your password, and you should be all set. Once your MetaMask wallet is unlocked, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the extension. Here, you'll see a button labeled Swap. Clicking this button sets the swapping process in motion. This feature is designed to allow you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another within just a few clicks. A great option if you need to alter your crypto portfolio without leaving the MetaMask interface. Now, you'll notice two fields in the swap interface: Swap From and Swap To. In the Swap From field, you want to select the token you already have, like Ethereum, often abbreviated as ETH. Ethereum is one of the most widely held cryptocurrencies and is typically used for various transactions across platforms. Selecting ETH is straightforward. Just click on the drop-down menu and choose from the list. Next, move to the Swap To field. Here, you'll choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to acquire. Common choices include tokens like USDT, also known as tether. If your token of choice isn't visible in the list provided, don't worry. You can simply type the token's name directly into the search bar to select it. Let's simulate a trade with a small test amount. Suppose you're swapping from ETH to another token. You might enter something like 0.01 ETH. This is purely for demonstration and doesn't require any real commitment or transaction. Entering a small amount is a good practice to explore how the swap feature works without risking significant funds. Once you've entered the amount you'd like to swap, click Review Swap. This step offers a preview, showing the estimated fees and the swap rate before you finalize anything. It's normal for this to take a few seconds as the system processes the transaction details, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner. Finally, when you're happy with the displayed information, go ahead and click Swap. And that's it! You've successfully walked through the process of swapping cryptocurrencies using MetaMask. With practice, this will become a go-to method for efficiently managing your crypto assets, and you'll appreciate its ease of use every time. So, see you all next time, and happy trading!